Welcome to Ask a Teacher, a new program where readers ask questions and teachers answer them. If you can write or speak even just a little English, you have surely used prepositions. Words like to, in, on, at, and by. A preposition is a word or group of words that shows direction, location, or time. Today on Ask a Teacher, we have a question about one such word.
Hi, I'm Frank John from Tanzania. I don't know how to use by in a sentence.
Hello, Frank. It sounds like you know the meaning of by, but are unsure of how to use it with other words. Let me try to help. By is usually a preposition, but sometimes acts as an adverb. It can be used in many ways, but today we will talk about 4 uses as a preposition and show you where it is placed in a sentence. Let's start with using by to show place or location. When we use by this way, it means close to, next to, or beside. Here are 2 examples. Note that by comes before the place.
Meet me at the show. I'll be seated by the door.
The university is by the sea.
Now for the second use. When by is placed after motion-related verbs like run, drive, and walk, it often shows movement past a place. Let's listen.
I walked by the river on Sunday. It was a beautiful day.
Did you drive by my building today? I thought I saw you.
Another way we use by is to talk about time on a clock. When we use it this way, it means not later than. The word by comes before the time. Have a listen.
Your appointment is at 1. Please arrive by 12:45.
We should leave by 7 to beat the crowds.
The last use we will consider today is about doing something alone or without any help. We make this meaning with by followed with a reflexive pronoun, such as myself or yourself. Here are 2 examples.
He moved the heavy table all by himself.
I'm sorry, I couldn't go. Did you go by yourself?
And that's Ask a Teacher. I'm Alice Bryant.
Do you have a question for Ask a Teacher? Write to us in the comments area. And be sure to tell us what country you are from. Or tell us some ways that you use by.